Good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world today. You know what day it is. Other than Christmas and my birthday, my favorite day of the year, Black Friday, baby. So if you want to get a major discount on my incredible trading strategy, the tools, tutorials, the guidance from myself, access directly to ask me questions within the special VIP rooms, and so on and so forth. Today is the day to do that. We're about to go into the age of trading. It's the golden age of trading. We've got Trump and Elon and all the right guys in all the right places. Crypto is about to become a lot bigger than it already is in America and around the world. There's a shift in tide towards this space. I've been with Bitcoin for the last 7 years. I've seen its ups, I've seen its downs. It's been my teacher, and it's allowed me to understand how all markets work. So I've got a long-term relationship with Bitcoin, and so I'm the right guy to guide you through if you're getting into kind of crypto now, or if you want to take your already trading into a new hemisphere. If you want to reduce the struggle and up the positive side of trading, then today is the day to get that going. So please reach out to me, and yeah, I would like to meet you. I would love to grow the community as I already have over the last 4 years. And let's get into some charting. I don't actually spend too much time. I've been correct about this for some days ahead of today. Just been waiting for it to fulfill my forecast and what I said it was going to do. It's still climbing up here, looking to get into the position I said I was going to get into. And I'm kind of like emphasizing that because that's the confidence I want you to have on the charts, on the markets. Like to almost be a little bit bored with how obvious the prediction is when it starts to work out, whilst the 95% are fumbling around wondering why they can't make money off the markets. All right, so this is something that I'm sure if you watch the videos I can do turn for turn, any market, anytime. And again, I've made this available initially to my friends, and now because of that, I started mentoring and I started making videos, and then built communities and built tools to support the communities. And I've got a whole bunch of AI stuff being released now, and I find myself a front runner in this space. And yeah, if you want to get involved, now is the time. My AI is super incredible as well. It's putting out predictions, that's calling the market ahead of time. So again, if you want to be a part of the evolution of where AI is right now on a strategy that works super well on the markets, then please guys, reach out. Don't let today pass. And then you look back a few months from now going, damn it, I wish I had taken action back then. Let me just change the scaling on this, and then I'm going to jump off as I've got dinner waiting for me and I want to go eat that. Yeah, price is going to go up until it gets to about 100,000, and then once it reaches that point, I think next week we can reconvene as to what it means to the market at large. I hope to hear from you. Take action today. It's that special day. Ciao for now.